Many of these witnesses have gone to great lengths to risk their lives and the lives of their relatives to support our investigations and prosecutions. These are people of immense moral courage who want to see justice done in Kenya. Incentives, including bribes, have been offered, and in some cases, threats and intimidations have been used to solicit information about our witnesses.
Welcome back. That was International Criminal Court Chief Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda giving her reasons for some of the challenges surrounding Uhuru Kenyatta's case, saying it is witness tampering by the Kenyan government is one of the main hindrances for justice to be served. Stephen, you've obviously been following this case. To what extent have the witnesses really been compromised by those forces that are supportive of Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta and indeed Deputy President William Ruto?
Let me start with the challenges that the prosecutor outlined. In January this year in her filing, she mentioned, of course, the issue of witness intimidation, government obstruction, and then there's thirdly the issue of being perceived as an enemy of the Kenyan people if you agree to testify against the president or the deputy president. So that is another challenge. According to our members in Kenya, who have argued that every time the prosecution has revealed the identity of a witness, then you notice that the next time the witness is coming to say that we are not going to move forward to continue to testify against the president because of threats, or if, and this is, I can repeat from the last Friday's meeting, if certain documents are requested from a specific organ of the government, then the organ of government ceases to exist. So these are some of the views of our members, and you remember from the status conference, there are about 9 witnesses so far only left from the prosecution side. So the argument from our members is that most of the witnesses who would have testified have been threatened and have either been bribed and so have withdrawn. That is the evidence that they have interfered with the case.
Is there nothing within their power or within its power as an institution that can do in order to make sure that it has the opportunity for those cases, for example, to continue?
Well, the ICC has taken the step of course, requesting the Kenyan government to send an individual by the name of Walter Barasa, who is alleged to have been participating in some of his incidents of intimidation. Of course, he's not yet been delivered to the court. He still remains at large. But, of course, in a courtroom, it is important to have a witness come forward and testify to provide the linkage of the crimes that are alleged to have been committed, that they're alleging that are accused has been committed. If that evidence is not available, then it's difficult to prove the allegations that a person committed a certain number of crimes. So that is the challenge that the prosecution is facing right now.